Okay guys, sorry about that. This was my first time changing a door lock actuator like this. So you got welcome back to Easy Rebuilds. It's a hot day outside and it's time for me to get back to work on these co-part builds, donation builds, whatever you want to call them, because people say I got a junkyard in my backyard. I'm Easy E, and thank y'all for joining this channel. Today I'll be doing I'll be working on the Honda Civic 2003 that I picked up a while ago last year during the pandemic. I got to get the tires and rims off, take them up to the shop so they can put the new tires on the rims. So at least that'll be out the way. And I gotta do a door lock actuator because I did order the key fob for this car, programmed it, and only one door actuator is working. So I gotta jump into that, see what's going on. Probably see what's all that in this video, but y'all won't see me taking the tires up to the shop because I don't think they like to be recorded. But let me get to work getting these tires off. Y'all know the analytics. Go copy out some merch. Check out my description area down below. So if y'all watched all the other videos, y'all would have known the tires I mismatch. This is a good tire, but all the tires are, this tire is bald all the way down. That's a good, decent tire, so I might keep. And this one is kind of bald. Keep two of them for spares. But I got this set over here. It's got nice, good tread on them. Matching set from y'all know where, Pick and Pull. They hooked the brother up. Nice, another matching set of tires. They're not dry rotted. So I'm beginning to work my little junkyard back here. You got people back there. Look at them. They back there chilling in the new picnic area. Move the picnic tables out the way so I can continue building my junkyard back here. People keep telling me get more cars, more cars. People want me to buy more cars. I gotta finish the ones I got back here first. So far that said, let me jump into this. Okay, kind of winded. I know I still got to put it's leaking coolant from one of the radiator hoses. Need a new clamp on there. I know I got to put a C-clamp, another hose clamp on there. But there we have it. All 4 tires are off inside the Easy Ease Rebuilds official car. And I see back here, well, now I can see, I need a new sway bar end link. I'm about to order that. Might as well order 2 of them. 2 new sway bar end links. I know that was busted. That one ain't busted. Car's highly rusty, but I'll be ordering 2 more. Ordering 2 sway bar end links for the rear for this car. The fronts are okay. I might replace those too. We'll see how cheap they are. But like I said, we got all 4 tires off. Yeah, I might as well order all 4 of them. Now I gotta get up there and I gotta order lug nuts for this car. So I'll hit y'all. I'll get back with y'all when I get back. Cause that car is full of parts. Pretty much all these cars got parts in it. Even the donation Malibu. Got brand new headlights over there for cars. Like, I know we ain't doing big things at Easy's Rebuilds, but we do try. So I love all y'all support. And I get back to y'all when I get back from the shop. Keep on watching. Okay, I'm back. Took a while, cost me, ooh, kicking my lug nuts. I gotta start looking down. Cost me 88 bucks. 88 greenbacks. Still gotta order new lug nuts. I do not want to lose these. To get these tires mounted and balanced. So these cars gonna come with a new set of tires. But instead of those bald ones. So still got a lot more body work to do, but let me get these tires put back on so I can get to that door actuator. Then I can end this video. That's all I'm gonna be doing today. Gotta go. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Then here we are, got the tires all back on there. I put a hose clamp on the radiator, hose that was leaking. The factory clamp wasn't clamping in good enough. So I gotta get this door panel off. Hopefully this door lock actuator is the right one for this car that I ordered off Amazon for a low price of $12. Because as you can see, nothing is not actuated on this side, but this door lock and lock is working on that side of the car. So let me get started, because y'all already seen me take these doors apart once It seems like all the time I'm constantly doing the same thing over and over again on these cars. I take them apart, put them back together. Take them apart, put them back together. Because I'm not a professional, but I gotta get some tools, and we about to hop on into it. Okay guys, sorry about that. This was my first time changing a door actuator, door lock actuator like this. So you got a Phillips head screwdriver, Phillips head. You're gonna need a Phillips head right here. If y'all can see that, it's a little Phillips head. And you got two little clips over here. Just pry those out. Then you got a safety right here, another safety over there. Just pull those back and pop out the old one, pop in the new one. Hopefully this works. Like I said, the other one didn't work. So let me get this door lock assembly put back into the car, and we see if we got it back working again. That's all I can do at the moment. I know the water barrier is missing off that door. I don't believe they ever had one on that door. I had to check the last videos. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Did that door have a water barrier on there? Because usually I don't rip them off, but that door been worked on before. So let me get back to work. And y'all know what to do. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a thumbs down if y'all don't like this video. But keep on watching, y'all. Before we button this all back up again, I do wish I had a water barrier to put back on this door. I could probably make one, but I don't got no more. Let's see, but before we button everything back up, let's make sure this door locks and unlocks now. The door is unlocked. Door is locked. Go around the other side. Door locked. Come back and press it twice. Door is unlocked on this side. Door is unlocked on this side. So replacing the door lock actuator worked. Now you got keyless entry again. When we bought this car didn't have keyless entry. The door lock wasn't working. But let me get back to putting this car back together so I can end this video. You see we got parts for this car all over the place. Still got to rip the seats out, do a lot of work. It's all back together. I just got to finish this car, but it's all back together. Still working. There we go. So you know that's the end. The car's mighty dusty and dirty. We know, still got to do a lot more work to it. Trying to knock out all the small stuff. But my little happy home with junkyard cars still going strong. So y'all know what that means. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, everyone. So if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If y'all didn't, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing. Share this video if you would on your social media. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm Easy E, and we got merch in the description area down below from teespring.com. Thank you, Teespring. And we also take Cash App donations. And we take donation of cars. If you got a car at your house that you no longer want, we'll give it a looky over. If we can fix it, we'll buy it. If we can't, then we still might buy it, because I'm trying to learn new things over here. So y'all know what to do. Stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Until next time, peace.